do you want to enter this, yes or no? That's the first time. Then afterwards, as part of the loop logic, you want to say while the user does not say no. In other words, they don't say the Sentinel value. While the user does not say no, I know it's double negative, so it's not great, but while the user doesn't say the Sentinel value, then keep going, keep going, keep going. So while the user is not saying n, keep it going, keep that cycle going. And then afterwards, at the end of this is the very important part. At the end of the loop, you also have to make sure to get the user input again. The reason you need that last user input is because you need to give them a chance to change their mind. The first time they said yes, let's say hypothetically, but it doesn't mean the second time they're going to say yes. You have to give them a chance to say no. And then let's say the second time they say yes, but doesn't mean the third time they're going to say yes. They might say no. So that's the formula. User input, the while loop, while they don't say the Sentinel value, and then user input. So I'm going to go over this structure, and you're going to see that it's going to be very common. Very, very common. So